What's up, YouTube family? I am back with another video. This is one of those throw it on, no glue, no tape, no gel, nothing, and still get a really flawless look. Now, I am going to show you really simple how to do this. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you straighten this wig out. And let me tell you a little bit about this wig. This is one of my custom units with My First Wig. In My First Wig, they have units that are literally for people who are new to wearing wigs. This wig is going to be so perfect for y'all. I can't even express it, but I want to get the bump out. So I'm going through and I am just flat ironing the hair. So flat iron it really nice and straight. Style your wig however you want to. The good thing about this wig is that they come pre-plucked. So I did go in and pluck it just a little bit, but I guarantee you guys, you don't have to pluck these units because they are pre-plucked. But if you do want a more natural scalp effect, just go in and tweeze just a little bit. I will put a video up showing you guys how I pluck my hairline. But like I said, this is a beginner friendly wig. You don't have to. I didn't even pluck it a lot. You can see where it's just plucked right in the front just to create a more natural look. This is about a 10-inch wig and you can get it longer. But inspiration, I wanted to create a look. Hey, look at that natural hair. I wanted to create a look that was going to look very familiar to my natural hair when it's pressed out. So that's where I kind of got this design from. I want to still have that look, but I'm not for straightening my hair, okay? I'm natural and I'm going to keep it that way. I won't heat damage. So this is the look that was inspired from that. And one thing I like about this wig, you can see it has 6 inches of parting space, which is really, really good, especially being that it's not a full lace wig and it's not a 360 wig. I don't know a lot of companies that offer that. So because I'm not trying to glue it, y'all, no glue, no tape, no gel, no bleach knots. Like this wig, I am going to throw it on. Do you hear me? Take the elastic band, measure from ear to ear. You're going to sew that down. Because My First Wig comes with a wig kit. It supplies all of this stuff. You just need a needle and thread, but it comes with the elastic band, styling tools, styling clips and combs, like everything you need. Also, if you have not seen my video on how I silk press my hair so you can see where the inspiration is from, I will link it above so that you guys can check that out and see where the inspiration came from. So now that I have the elastic band on, I'm just gonna, I'm finna style this hair and keep it pushing. Like, I was actually on my way to work and, I didn't have time to be gluing. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going to pretty much mold how I want the hair to lay, and I love using hair mousse for this. I use this technique on my clients all the time. It doesn't really matter what kind of mousse. I'm using Silk Elements because that's just what I have at home, but just molding it back and styling the hair how I want it to. I don't want any like baby swoops, baby hairs. I just want it to look natural. Seem natural, okay? Get a lot of questions about booking. I will leave my booking information in the description box. I am located in Michigan, so if you guys want to book an appointment with me, come holler at me. My link will be in the description box. And I also want to announce that I will be in New York City October 20th to the 21st, and at My First Wig and RPG pop-up shop, we will be installing some wigs on some lucky ladies. So you guys come out and support. October the 20th through the 21st. Like I said, I will be in New York City, and I'm excited to be working with My First Wig and RPG show. So yeah, you guys want an appointment, you can get an appointment. See me in New York City. We lit, baby. So I'm excited for that. So if you guys are going to be in the New York City area in October, come holla at me, come see me. I'm so excited to be a part of this. So moving along, you guys, I'm taking some of my liquid foundation. I'm only applying this to the hairline because you want it to be where you're gonna actually see the lace. Like, you don't have to do it all over. I apply it right to the hairline and the part, and that's it. And then you can take something to help flatten and smooth out your wig. Y'all, I do not like these electronic ass pressing combs, but you just gotta do what you gotta do. I wasn't finna run back and forth to the stove, you know. So I recommend using something like this. Like a pressure comb really gets in there. A lot of people like to use a curling wand or something like that. Something with some heat, direct heat you need it to flatten it out. I use the care stick, but you don't have to use that because that thing is expensive. Just like a nice wax cream or a wax, something that's going to help lay it flat. You can even use that hairspray like I just did with the Got to Be Free spray, just a little bit to help smooth it out because you really want it to look nice and sleek and smooth. So after you do that, you pretty much set. You're going to mold your baby hairs how you want them to. Because I did mold them, they're really just going in the direction I need them to go in. So now you can see the completed look, you guys, and I love it. When I tell you it's a scalp, it's a glueless scalp at that. Who's shouting out glueless scalp? Because normally when you get a scalp, it's melted with some glue, right? Boo-boo. I'm gonna show y'all how not to use the glue, especially for my beginners. So that's pretty much it. Check out the description box for everything that I've mentioned in this video. I hope to see you guys in New York. It's a glueless scalp. I'll see y'all in the next video, and thank you again for joining me. Bye.